Alright, hey guys, it's BT Car Spotters. We're here in Crystal Cove, and looks like we're starting off today with a nice, like a, well, I know it's black color, but it's like a misty black, Mclaren 720S. It looks pretty nice. I really do like the look of a 720S. And it looks like we have a yellow Ferrari 458, I think. And we also have a Porsche just driving off. 911 Carrera S, but let's go back to the Ferrari 458. Well, actually, it's a 458 Spider. Oh wow, it looks amazing. And we also have an Audi back here. An Audi R8. It's an Audi R8. And wow, look at that engine. Looks like we have a Porsche Spider. And I gotta say, it looks nice. Especially the interior. Looks like we have a nice Mercedes here, but we also have a nice yellow Lamborghini Gallardo.
On that, but then they have another warehouse.
And we also have what I think is a Ferrari Portofino. Or I think I'm pronouncing that right. Portofino? Well, it's something like that, Portofino. Oh wow, look at the interior. And it looks like we have a Viper. It looks interesting. Just look at the size of that wing. I mean, the wing's pretty long, but it looks lovely. And here we have a nice black Lamborghini Aventador S. Wow. The inside's crazy. And it looks like we have a nice Shelby Cobra, but this is actually a replica because it's powered by Rouse, as you can see. So yeah.
And they're gonna get hurt.
Looks like we have some nice Ferraris here. Here we have what I think is a Porsche 940, or not a Porsche, My bad, I mixed it up. I mean a Ferrari 488 Pista, which is what I think it might be. And we also have a Portofino. I'm sorry guys, my stabilizer is kind of like going up and down side to side. Alright, here we are in the Aston Martin dealership in Crystal Cove. And it looks like we have a Aston Martin. It's kind of hard to pronounce the whole thing. I'm just gonna say Rapido. I'm sorry guys, it's hard for me to pronounce. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. So please like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And I guess I'll be seeing you guys next weekend. Bye.